Good morning, it's day 8 in Thailand. I'm gonna vlog in English today. I'm a bit nervous about it, but it will be fine. I booked an elephant sanctuary today and I'm going there with Lauren. So a very excited day and I'll take you guys with me. We arrived at the elephant sanctuary. It's the elephant nature park. It's apparently a very ethical one. Lauren did her research. And we cannot touch them, we cannot feed them, we can't do anything except for watch them. Actually so crazy, like you really walk with the elephants and let them be. They look so peaceful and they've rescued them from like tourist things, like people riding on them, and they take care of them. So the money we pay for coming here they use for all the elephants. Thank you. I just came back from the elephant sanctuary and now we're gonna get out for dinner. We found a place that looks very nice, but it's so full, so we have to wait for a table. But see, that's why I don't want to vlog in English. I don't know my words. That usually means that it's very good. So dinner was amazing and we're chilling now in the hostel. So this is the trick. Go to the smoking area and everyone is here and you meet so many people. Like, so many people. It's always the smoking area. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I didn't vlog a lot today, but it was a fun day. We saw the elephants, so I'm happy. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, so bye!